You need to watch this if you struggle with trading on Binance. Let's conquer it step by step. Navigating Binance can feel like stepping into another world. But don't worry, I've got your back. Today we'll make our first profitable trade as total newbies. First, create your Binance account by heading to their website and clicking register. Use a strong password and verify your email. Next, enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Google Authenticator or SMS, your choice. Now, verify your identity with an ID and proof of address. Once you're set up, it's time to deposit funds. Click Deposit, select Bitcoin and send it to your unique address. Now, the exciting part of trading. Take a deep breath, don't rush, and execute your first trade. Feel that adrenaline? That's the thrill of crypto. Remember, practice makes perfect. Stay focused, keep learning, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. You're on your way to becoming a confident crypto trader. Check out my next video for advanced trading strategies. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and happy trading!